lefty, but I do this side. So
which side you want me?
I think any side is fine. I think.
This one?
Oh, actually, I don't know. It's a little bit disorienting.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened. Yeah.
Alright, you know what? I'll do it for you first, and then
Yeah.
you can try it.
Oh.
I'll do a hip snap.
Okay.
Verify the nose plugs are already handy.
Okay.
Because the nose plugs. Alright.
Yep.
You gotta look back at your stern, but still look back at your stern.
I mean, for the
Come out,
roll.
Yeah, when you come out, look back at your stern. So the
Okay.
head will automatically relax.
Okay.
So,
Oh. Got it. Nice. Okay.
so now, so if I fail,
Sure.
tap it,
Yeah.
and then come to either side.
Yep. I'll just hit it so you'll know. Sorry. He's trying the roll. I'm trying to help him out. Just asking you to be the second person. In case I'm not tapping her enough in time. Perfect. Nice.
My hands were not out properly yet.
Oh, I mean, they were not warm enough, or?
No, my hands, like,
Okay.
then I find it too tight.
At an angle, just like you would come, just like
Nice,
you would
nice
go
work.
out. You're coming into an eddy at kind of an angle downstream, and as you cross the eddy line, you'll put an edge in to turn yourself back upstream.
So let me know if you want to try another one, since you said you didn't do it perfect.
We'll
Yeah.
practice. You want to try doing it?
Yep. Okay. Nice.
Look back.
I don't know if I need the goggles on. Maybe not. That's fine.
The goggles won't help you, it's too dark.
Okay, it's too dark.
Yeah, you need a nose plug.
Luckily I'm not. I don't know. Lucky I've never tried with the nose plug, but
Helps a lot.
yeah, almost certain I'll do the tap. Yeah, I'll do like, if I'm able to come up, get my air, I'll try maybe 2 times.
Okay.
But if I'm not getting my air, I'll just do that. Yeah, I'll do that.
I did already.
Yeah, hit it. Nice. Okay.
Alright, go ahead. Look back at your stern.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. I'm happy. I don't know if my paddle sinks or not. I hope not. You have a paddle right next to you. Actually, but I'm so happy. I stayed down for that long.
Yep.
You were patient, man.
Yeah, that's the